Hi, Joe Luque over at Phillips Chevy, and we're talking about our new vehicles. Like right now we're in a 2018 Traverse, and what's awesome is if you have an iPhone, you have Apple CarPlay. And one of the cool things is anything you're looking for, you can just ask Siri for. It's so easy. You don't have to type anything, you just voice it. So like right now I'm hungry for some pizza. All right, it's below zero right now and the hot pizza sounds good. So I'm gonna try it. Siri, show me where the nearest pizza place is.
The nearest one I see is Papa John's Pizza, which averages 3 stars. Let me know if you want more information.
That sounds kind of good, but it only has 3 stars. I wonder if Siri will give me 4 stars for pizza. Let's try it. Siri, show me where the nearest pizza place is with 4 stars. I don't know if that's 4.
The best rated one I found is Village Pizza on Oak Park Avenue in Tinley Park, which averages 4.5 stars and is moderately priced. Let me know if I should call one of them or get directions for you.
How easy is that? I mean, she kind of tells you where it's located, the highest rating. I've never heard of Village Pizza. Maybe I'll try them now. But yeah, that is what's so cool. Having an iPhone and using Siri through Apple CarPlay just makes things so much easier. So come out and check this stuff out over at Phillips Chevy and ask for me, Joe Luque. Have a good one.